Flash flooding caused havoc on Madison's west side early Monday morning, closing major streets and requiring the fire department to do a water rescue near campus. Madison was under a flash flood warning until 5:30 a.m. Monday. WISC-TV meteorologist Haddie McLean said 2 to 5 inches or more of rain has fallen from south of Stoughton to Oregon, Fitchburg, and the southwest side of Madison, then northwestward to the Sauk City area. The biggest problems surfaced on Madison's west side. The fire department had to perform a water rescue in the 500 block of Walnut Street early Monday after the rains hit. 12 other cars got stuck in flooded roadways around Madison following the heavy rains.